Okay guys, nice day, kind of windy, a little bit colder. Looks like rain a little bit tomorrow. Just the chickens are outside. I have Oreo. And the tub Oreo splashed around there. She's getting better. It's just gonna take a little bit of time. Got a lot of work done yesterday, got that all cleared out. Moved the tub over here. Got this side ready going. Funny for chickens or ducks, so just need to get the netting for it. With everything all set for it already. Very kind of earliest time of year to be doing this, but so far it's looking good. Hi Oreo, how you doing? It's taking her a while to get better. It's gonna take a while. At least another couple weeks or so. Ducks over here digging in the mud, playing in all the little worms. There's a giant worm in there yesterday. It was about maybe 6-7 inches long. Hi Lightning. Oh, there you are. Sophie. Where's your friend at? Where's our chicken wander off to? Oh, there it is. It's hiding. There you go. So they can play in all that dirt now. They're gonna have a hell of a good time. It's good for dust bathing, and then they can eat the bugs and grass. They're gonna be very happy. Very happy chickens and ducks. Now they're pretty much free range. You can see how muddy. Look how muddy the beak is. The big white duck. They're growing. It's also helping aerate the garden too, getting it ready. Pretty much here in Almonds, we soak the garden a lot. We start getting it ready. Then we put all stuff in one big pile and we get it into compost. Like I talked about yesterday. But yeah, everyone's doing really good. Chickens are happy walking around, eating the bugs, eating the grass. They love eating grass. It's gonna be a lot happier now. And eggs are gonna be a lot better. It's all free range. So guys, I'll see you guys tonight when I come home from work. And when I put them in for the night. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, ducks are patiently waiting to go inside. Hi guys. They've been outside all day. I'm gonna put Oreo back in her cage so she's comfy overnight. She should come right in. Jesus, a disaster in here. Food can, there's Oreo. I'll get some more food tomorrow. Down there. Dump the water out. It's so weird not having the netting or anything in here. It's so different. Okay guys, I had to give them some more food. Everyone seems in for a night, everyone's good. They had to grab some bugs all today. So I'm going to take care of Oreo still. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, and good night.